Let's talk about the latest upgrade to Google Docs, a tool that's been quietly evolving behind the scenes. For years, Google Docs has been the go-to platform for writing, collaborating, and note-taking. Simple, cloud-based, and incredibly reliable. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just jotting down ideas, Docs has always made teamwork and editing easy. We've seen smart features like spell check, grammar suggestions, and real-time collaboration, but now Google is taking things a step further by making Docs audible. Powered by Gemini AI, Docs can now read your documents aloud in a natural, high-quality voice that sounds almost human. This means your words come to life, making your content more engaging and accessible. This isn't your old-school robotic text-to-speech. It's a leap forward, turning your writing into audio you'll actually want to listen to, whether you're reviewing a report or catching up on meeting notes. Imagine listening to your essay, meeting notes, or project brief while you're on the move, walking, commuting, or even exercising. It's a whole new way to multitask and stay productive. Announced in August 2025, this feature marks Google's first big step toward transforming Docs into an AI-powered podcast platform, opening up new possibilities for content consumption. It's about more than just convenience. It's about accessibility and flexibility for every user, including those with visual impairments or learning differences. Now, everyone can engage with their documents in a way that suits them best. The Read Aloud tool is built right into the Docs interface, so there's no learning curve or extra software to install. Just click and listen. It's a seamless, user-focused update that feels like it always belonged, blending perfectly with the familiar Docs experience. Let's dive into how this AI reading assistant works, explore its best features, and see why it could change the way you use Docs forever. Ready? Let's get into it and discover what this new era of Google Docs has to offer. So what does Gemini's Read Aloud feature actually do? How can it transform your daily tasks? It transforms any Google Doc into spoken audio, using a voice that's smooth, natural, and easy to follow. Imagine having your documents read to you while you focus on other tasks. You can pick from several voices, calm, energetic, or somewhere in between, to match your mood or the document's tone. This flexibility ensures that the audio experience is always tailored to your needs. Adjust the playback speed to slow down for careful proofreading or speed up for quick reviews. This feature is perfect for those who need to digest information at their own pace. This isn't just reading, it's a personalized listening experience. Enjoy your documents in a whole new way. The AI handles punctuation and flow, so even long reports sound clear and engaging. No more monotonous droning, just smooth, articulate narration. Suddenly, every document becomes a personal audiobook. Your reading list just got a lot more manageable. Multitask, listen to notes while making coffee or even while cooking dinner. Review proposals on a walk, getting some fresh air while staying productive, or catch up on reading during your commute. Turn travel time into productive time. It's a simple idea, but Gemini's AI makes it powerful and practical. It's like having a personal assistant who reads to you. Docs just got a whole lot more versatile. Experience the future of reading with Gemini. Ready to try it out for yourself? Google has made listening to your documents incredibly easy and convenient, whether you're working, studying, or just want to give your eyes a break. First, if you already have a Google Doc open, simply head up to the menu bar, click on Tools, then select Audio, and choose Listen to this tab. Instantly, an audio player will appear right on your screen, and the AI will begin reading your document aloud from the very top, making it easy to follow along. There's no complicated setup, no extra downloads, and no fuss, just a simple click and you're listening in seconds. Now if you're the one creating the document, you can take it a step further by embedding an audio button directly into your doc for others to use. Just go to Insert, select Audio, place the button wherever you want in your document, and even customize how it looks to match your style or branding. With this feature, anyone who has access to your document can simply click the audio button and listen instantly, making collaboration smoother. It's perfect for shared docs, like team announcements, project briefs, or any information you want people to hear, not just read, making communication more engaging. This small but powerful touch makes your documents feel more modern, interactive, and accessible to everyone, including those who benefit from audio support. So whether you're a reader, a writer, or someone who just loves smart features, listening to your docs is now just a click away. That's what we call smart, user-friendly design. Who can use this? Right now it's rolling out to Google Workspace users, business, enterprise, and education plans. If your school or company uses Workspace, you'll see it soon. Individual Gemini AI Pro and Ultra subscribers also get access, so you don't need to be part of a big organization. For now, it's English only and desktop only. No mobile support yet, but that's likely coming. Google's starting with a focused rollout to gather feedback and iron out bugs. If you don't have it yet, hang tight, it's expanding. To recap, Workspace and Gemini Pro Ultra users, English docs, desktop browsers, it's a smart phased launch for a major new feature. Expect wider access soon. Why does this matter? Because it changes how we interact with information. Students can listen to textbooks or research papers, boosting comprehension and making study time more flexible. For those with dyslexia or visual impairments, it's a powerful accessibility tool. Professionals can proofread by ear or catch up on reports while multitasking. Hearing your own writing helps spot errors your eyes might miss. It's not just about convenience, it's about inclusion and universal design. Google Docs becomes more accessible, more productive, and more user-friendly for everyone. This isn't just a cool feature, it's a shift in how we use digital text. With Gemini's natural voice, Docs is now smarter, easier, and more versatile. That's a real upgrade.